6 days ago now. And so she said, well, we'll go ahead and schedule it. I'm on call on Saturday, so if you want to come in on Saturday, or you can do the wait. And I was like, go ahead and schedule it. Yeah.
Oh, she hadn't crossed her
We'll see.
fingers.
She says she ain't gonna do it. We'll see.
What can they see?
Wait
Black,
the whole
red, and
time.
white right
Monday's
now?
gonna go a week after. If I
They
have
can
to.
only see so many
That's
colors in the
what we
first
say.
one.
Let's see. She's already ready for it to come out. So I'm going for a walk today.
Well, see, with Marissa, I was in labor for 4 hours, and that's it. And she was
That's
here, or
good.
6
You're
hours.
lucky. I
and
went
she was